This is a time relay, small in size, sturdy and reliable. This TTM time relay has a time range from 0 to 30, 5 sec to 60 min-op standard, W, 4 sets of no and NC contacts, max repetitive error rate, plus 1% contact struct 3A2 photovac, resistive load mechanical life, 100,000 times, electrical life, 200,000 times, rated voltage, 20 Vi, 10 Vi, 24 V, etc. Short time relay can set time via knob. We are now. This IQ's small new time electrostatic device can control the time range of an electric delay through the knob for 10 minutes. It has a high cost performance among the same imported brands. If you need similar time electrostatic devices on the equipment, please leave a message in the comment section for discussion. We will reply promptly and provide samples for you to try. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.